Meta takes on Google and Bing with revolutionary AI search. Meta platform is reportedly developing its own AI search engine to reduce reliance on major search engines like Google and Bing. This new AI search tool is intended to provide users with conversational answers directly through Meta's chatbot, Meta AI, which is already integrated across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. The move marks Meta's entry into the competitive AI search engine market, which already saw a major fight between the existing big players like OpenAI, creator of ChatGPT, Google, and Microsoft. Recently, Google has launched its new AI model called Gemini, through which it would add conversation and user-friendliness to search. Similarly, OpenAI uses Microsoft Bing for web data to power its AI answers. With Meta now entering the space, users may have more options when it comes to finding answers powered by conversational AI. Currently, Meta is completely reliant on Google and Bing for the search results in news, stocks, and sports in its platforms. The integration of its AI search engine can help Meta deliver real-time answers to its users via its Meta AI chatbot, instead of referring the users to external search engines. Recently, Meta announced that its chatbot would source real-time news content from Reuters. This would most likely position Meta's AI as a go-to resource for up-to-the-minute information. The AI search engine market is growing extremely fast, but creates problems. Many organizations, including Meta, scavenge the web for content, raising copyright concerns and issues of fair remuneration for original authors.